In this video, I'm going to show you what is the best funneling membership landing page software that I've found in 2024. If you want to know what is the software for the funnels, membership, and email that I'm using, you do not want to miss out this video. Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June, and welcome back to my channel. So there are so many different sales funnels, landing page, memberships, email marketing, and all software in one. And I've tested so many and I'm still using so many different ones. So which I'm going to recommend in 2024, especially for free users and paid users. So I'm just going to debunk it in this video. So I have been using few software since I started about 5 years ago. I've used Clickfunnels, I've used Groovefunnels, I've used gohighlevel, which is GHL, and you will see a lot of very similar software that is through this gohighlevel that we have seen. I will show you guys later on. And I've also used Systeme.io, and for email I have used like MailerLite, I have used MailChimp, and I've used SendFox. There's so many different ones, and know that it confuses you, especially you're just starting out. So that's why especially for you who are just starting out, what I would recommend, and if you are someone who has a little bit of budget, which one would I recommend? So I'm just going to show in this video. Let's start with a free one. So if you're absolutely just newbie in town, you're just starting out your journey as a coach and creator, and you're looking for a software and sales funnel where you're able to input steps as well as your membership, I would definitely recommend Systeme.io right now. Okay, the reasons I'm recommending Systeme.io to you is very simple, because it offers actually lifetime access to free. And okay, so as you can see, you can get like 2,000 contacts and 3 funnels and unlimited email sendings and even 1 community and 1 blog and 1 course for free. So when you're starting out, you would like to look for free things, and I've never seen so far another software that is offering such a great and generous plan right now as compared to Systeme.io. Like back in, I think during 2020 and 2021, there was another sales funnels website that actually offers such a very good free function as well, and that was Groovefunnels. However, actually Groovefunnels stopped, which also called Groove, they actually stopped providing this free access. So that is the reason why when you're starting out right now, I would definitely recommend to Systeme.io. If you want to check out Systeme.io, you can check out in the link in the description box down below, and that is my affiliate links. But I also want to show you guys the landing page that I'm hosting in Systeme.io so that you guys can get an idea how it works, okay? So this is really generous. Okay, so and if another thing that we are all afraid is, what if later on you want to upgrade, and Systeme.io plan is really, I would say, super affordable. As you can see, per year it's only about less than $250, where in fact I'm a ClickFunnels users right now. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm a ClickFunnels users right now. Oh, I forgot my password. And I'm paying $100 per month. Okay, I host a few funnels in Clickfunnels, which is one of the the one that you guys been seeing is the amazing video challenge. You guys can see this is my amazing video challenge funnel that I host in Clickfunnels. I'm paying $97 per month, and Clickfunnels actually have another plan that is almost $300, which I don't actually recommend if you're starting out, because there is better alternative. And the only reasons I'm still paying to Clickfunnels because I have so many funnels rooted inside Clickfunnels, and I need to find time to kind of like move them out. So that's the reason I'm still paying Clickfunnels. But if let's say you're starting out, you want to pick a solid company with the IT team, and the founder Aurelian is really solid, and you guys can check out their community in their Facebook. They're really active, listening to the customer feedback. So this is the reason why I would recommend Systeme.io for you right now. So let's check out how the interface of Systeme.io looks. So all these are just amazing stuff that they have, including the email and courses as well. Okay, so this is my landing page in Systeme.io. You guys can, I'm just going to put in the link down below. Check it out here. You can go to june.systeme.io/free course, june.systeme.io/free course, and you're able to go to this landing page. And basically this landing page, I'm teaching you when you opt in, you can fill in your name, all right, and your email. This is my email, hijunlo@gmail.com. or you can reach me out at hello@junlo.co. This is my email. And then this is a form, and when I hit submit, Systeme.io will actually help me to collect the leads. And this is also another steps that you can design. I didn't spend too much time on designing. So this is Systeme.io. It is pretty simple and pretty nice to drag and drop. All funneling software, I would say that their drag and drop functions is pretty much similar. It doesn't run too much far away. And yeah, as you guys can see, I can move everything pretty easy. So this is Systeme.io. And Systeme.io on how to design your landing page and how to connect with your email, with your domain. I would say they have one of the very simple steps as compared to other funneling software that I have learned, right? I think Systeme.io is pretty straightforward. If you want to know how to create your course and also collect leads, like landing page, collect leads and send an automated email, you can check out my course because I teach you everything. This is June. Yeah. I kind of forgot my link. All right, you can just check it out at the link over here. I'm just putting over here. Just check it out. And yeah, so Systeme.io is great. And even though you do not want to pay, so let's check out a monthly plan. Monthly plan is only as low as $27 if you decide to pay. But this is definitely good to go as a free one. All right, then if let's say you're someone who have used this before, you have used Katra, you have used Clickfunnel, you have used Kajabi. All right, you are paid users to them. I'm a paid user of ClickFunnels. I'm a paid user of GrooveFunnels as well. The next replacement that I would definitely recommend is something that is called gohighlevel. Okay, so I'm also an affiliate as well. You can check it out at this link. But level is something very different where you will see a lot of influencers out there. They are having a similar interface of gohighlevel. Okay, and they might have a different name. So let me just show you. Okay, I'm just going to log into my gohighlevel so that you guys can see. Okay, why I would recommend gohighlevel if you are a paid user of ClickFunnels, because they allow you to move your ClickFunnels pages, like landing page, not inclusive like connecting emails and everything, just the landing page in one click. And that is very, very convenient to me, especially I have so many different pages in ClickFunnels, right? So why I say gohighlevel is the next one I would recommend, because gohighlevel, you see a lot of influencers, they actually rebrand gohighlevel to their own branding, and this allowed in gohighlevel. And there's a reason why gohighlevel is, I feel like that is a very IT centric company, where ClickFunnels is a little bit IT plus marketing. They will have their IT side, which is solid, but not the best stuff, but then they actually constantly will educate you, which is a great thing, like from Russell Brunson, as well as they educate you, as well as they create a community. So ClickFunnels is very strong in community, but at the it's very pricey in my opinion. Okay, but gohighlevel is more affordable at much more functionalities, like the functions that you get in gohighlevel, $97 per month, you can get the same in ClickFunnels. They are charging you $297. So if you are actually getting the gohighlevel account at $297, you can actually create a lot of different unlimited sub accounts, which a lot of people that you can actually do for reselling that, and that is allowable. You can even have your own brand, like maybe I want to have my own gohighlevel. I call it as like Amazing June funnel software, right? Just an example. Okay, so if let's say you are interested in gohighlevel, they also offer a 14-day free trial. You can check it out at this link here. Okay, so I'm also hosted a lot of different this is my gohighlevel account. I also hosted this junlo.net/AC. AC is an amazing challenge. I also hosted the same funnels that I have in ClickFunnels, and I hosted it in gohighlevel because it's so simple for me to move. But I have so many different funnels in ClickFunnels, I just need to move one by one. All right. So this is I created in gohighlevel, and gohighlevel is more than a funneling software. They have so many different automations available. They have so many different app available. They are much more in gohighlevel. But if let's say I were to compare the learning curve, I would say Systeme.io has the easiest learning curve. Go high level is pretty much like ClickFunnels because you really need to figure out a lot of automation. But Systeme.io, the automation is pretty easy to understand. And if you follow through my free course in that Systeme.io, I'm putting in the description box down below, you can pretty much set up everything in a day and understand everything in a day. But go high level, even right now, I'm still trying to understand more like each of the function each day and thinking how to connect. So I would say it has more functions, but the learning curve it's steeper. So that's why only if you have been using like ClickFunnels, you know how to set up all those on your own, then I would recommend go high level. And of course, go high level, another advantage is that is the fee, right? As I show you guys, it's about $97 per month per year, and you get about you can have an unlimited message. They have the live chat system, you have the CRM as well. So what is another cool thing is that they have a free trial, which everyone has. If you want, you can actually subscribe through me. Instead of paying $97, here's the $97. Instead of paying the $97, you just need to pay $47. All right, you just need to pay $47 if you get go high level under me. All right, so but then I don't have free trial available for you guys. So if let's say you want to try out a free trial, just go to go high level and just try it out. I'm just putting the link down below. But after you try out and you know how easy it is to move the ClickFunnels pages to go high level, and you want to get it at the more affordable fee, the same thing as $97, I'm just selling at $47. You can get it at my link right here. All right, or just DM me. I prefer you to DM me so that you can actually understand more. So this is go high level. So how about ClickFunnels? Would I actually recommend? So if you have not hosted any of your funnels in ClickFunnels, I would say why you're hosting in ClickFunnels, because go high level, it's a better alternative of ClickFunnels and at a cheaper rate. All right, so to me, the reasons that you join ClickFunnels is because maybe you're interested in the 2CC award. Okay, or maybe you just simply love the community and you just simply love Russell Brunson and you want to support them. Okay, so this is my analysis based on the ClickFunnels. Okay, how about Kajabi and Katra? I am not the paid users for both Kajabi and Katra, so I could not comment for them. But I do know that because I'm an email subscriber of Katra, but I realized that they seems to have a cheaper plan right now. I did not do a very deep research, and so but I still feel like go high level is a better alternative for them all, because when it is cheaper, that's where you're able to use it for the long-term basis. And if it is expensive, it's really difficult to maintain them. And the last question I would get is actually Groove. And what do I use GrooveFunnels for? Okay, Groove is really interesting. I get started in Groove back in 2020 and 2021. I am a user. Not only I'm a free user, I'm a paid user. I upgraded, and still until this date, I'm still using Groove. But then for what item? Okay, initially I was using ClickFunnels, but I can only create a limited number of amount of sales funnel and membership. So that's where I got Groove instead, because that back then in 2020 and 2021, they have this lifetime subscription available for Groove, right? Which I already paid for, and I have the lifetime access, and hopefully the company will improve and will not close down. But I'm still using it. I'm using it for the membership because I have so many different business and different membership that I'm offering, right? So ClickFunnels is limited for my usage, and back then I still do not have go high level access yet. So that's why I'm hosting a lot of courses, free courses and paid courses of mine in Groove Member as well. Groove Member is something that I use on a daily basis, and second one that I'm using in Groove is a Groove Video. And because instead of paying for the storage, and I felt like YouTube is not like professional, I actually used the Groove Video, and I think I absolutely love it because I think it's easy to use and I have a lifetime membership. I was like, why not? So for Groove, I'm still using, but would I recommend? Okay, so let us check before talking about whether I would recommend. Let's check out the pricing of Groove right now. It doesn't seem to write the Groove right now. I do see that they have an improvement in the landing page, which is awesome. So let's just check what is the Groove pricing landing page right now. I couldn't get the price. Okay, so they have a $497. Oh, where is the price tag? I think I do see something like $497 per month. Okay, get started to see all plans and pricing. So let us click and check out how much they're selling. So they are currently selling an annual plan, all of the Groove, which including, okay, when you said all of the Groove, they actually include quite a number of apps. They have the funnel, they have the Groove Sell, which is the affiliate, and then they have the Groove Pages, they have the Groove Member, and they have the Groove Blog as well. Okay, so this is pricing you can get for a year is about $497. Okay, that is not too bad. If let's say we were to count $497 divided by 12, it's about $41 per month. $41 per month for that is not too bad. I didn't know about their latest pricing until I checked it out. So my comment with Groove is this: I've seen them growing and I've seen them improving bit by bit. But one thing I didn't like is that I felt like they are more like a very marketing centric company rather than the IT development company. Even though I'm still using, I felt like their development in terms of IT is slower compared to Systeme.io, compared to GHL, and compared to Clickfunnel. I would say that Groovefunnel is very similar to Clickfunnels, but Clickfunnels has a better IT infrastructure compared to Groovefunnel. Because both Clickfunnels and Groovefunnels founder, they come from a marketing background, so that's where they are coming from. But for Systeme.io and GHL, they are very IT centric company. So because they both come from more like an IT background, from the experience that I've used when I use Groovefunnel, I use Clickfunnels, I use GHL and Systeme.io. I've a paid user for all this, so that's the reason why this is my comment. Okay, so if let's say you are interested to kind of like know all these different funnel software, you want to make a decision, but then you can't really make a decision right now, feel free to speak to me. I'm available at my Facebook. Just send me a Facebook DM. I'm happy to analyze for you. You can go to facebook.com/JuneLowStories. Send me a DM. You say that you want to know, you want me to help you to analyze which to use. I'm happy to help you that, since I'm the paid users of majority of this funneling software. All right, I've used a tons, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys find values in this video. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, but I didn't manage to do so. Finally, I'm able to do so. Yeah, if let's say you want to see more of inside of what is in Go High Level, I have a lot of tutorials in using Go High Level as well. You can check it out in my YouTube channel, and I look forward to see you guys and meet you guys in the next video. And before I end this, if you've been loving this video, can you give it some comments down below, or to hit subscribe button, or to like this video, so that you are going to motivate me to do even more awesome videos for you. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.